everyone, Monique here, Little Gems Creations 1. Today we're going to have a quick little video and I'm going to show you how to hide yarn ends or threads. So first you're going to have whatever you've made. For me it's a little dog sweater. I'll put a link in the description for some of the dog sweater tutorials that I've done. But this is what we're hiding threads on today. So we're going to start by turning it inside out. And then we're going to pick a thread to hide. So let's start with one of the bottom ones. You're going to use your crafting needle. Now I use crafting needles, not yarn needles, because they're a little bit sharp. When you use yarn needles, quite often they're blunt. So we want to use, or I'm liking the crafting needle, just so you know. Okay, so we're going to go in some stitches, but I put my fingers here because we don't want to go all the way through to the front. Then you see how my working yarn is coming out here? We're going to go just a bit behind it and then past it. So my working yarn is coming out here. I'm going in behind it and out past it. Okay, and that is going to lock your yarn into place. Now we're going to do that for a few more. Okay, just like this. Then you snip your yarn. And that's all there is to it. Because you did that back stitching, your yarn is locked into place. So, yeah, there you go. So I hope that was helpful, and it really was very quick, wasn't it? So thanks for watching. Check that description. I put all kinds of goodies in it, and have a great day. Bye now.